Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to talk about array in Java. Why we need array and what is array? Array is a collection of variables. So how to declare array? So to declare array you have to use data type, then this square brackets, then variable name. So let's say I want to declare integer data type and then this square sign, then I will say number like this. All right, then now let's go for the creating array. So how to create array? We just have to mention the variable here. So here we just have declare it, right? Only declaration, declare a variable array. Okay, array. Okay, here I will say number is equal to, I will say new int, and now I have to give the array size. So let's say I want from I want to store here 5 value. So let me cut it from here. I don't know what is the problem, so I'll go here and I'll paste it. So this is how actually we can create an array, declare and create at the same time. Okay, first we can declare the variable, then we have to say number is equal to new integer and then the array size. So in array, index number start from 0. Let's say I want to add value, okay, in number array. So I will say number, so the first index will be 0, right? 0 is equal to, let's say 10. Number, the second index will be 1 and the second index value, let's say 20. Then number, second index, and then 30, let's say index number 3, then index number 4, let's say 50. So we can actually give here index number 5, because if I count it, then here you can see 1 2 3 4 5. So now I will say here public static void main, and here I'm going to cut it, and inside the main method I'm going to paste them. So now let's say I want to print them. So how to print? So I will say here number and then index number, let's say 0, so it will print me 10. Here is the output 10. And let's go for second index. So I will say 1. Yeah, you can see the value is 20. Now let's say I want to know the array size. So how can actually I know the array size? So we have a method here, and that is, let's say I want to find out the length. So I will say integer length is equal to, I will say number dot length. So this function will actually return me the length of the array. So if I say len, here you can see the array length will be 5. Here is the output 5. Now let's say I want to show every single element from an array. So how can I do this? I will say for loop, and here I'm going to say integer I is equal to, index number will be start from 0, so I will give here I is equal to 0, and then I will say I is smaller than what? 5, right? Because my length is 5. So let's say I don't know my length. So how can I know the length? I can actually say here that len, okay, because I find the length from this integer. Okay, all right, so I'll say here I plus plus and done. Now here I'm going to say println. Let's say I want to comment out this line. So here I'm going to say numbers, then index number will be I, and I want to use here tab. So I will say double quotation, then backslash t, right, for the tab, and then I have to say here plus sign to concatenate the string. All right, so now if I run the code, it will show me 10 20 30 40 50. Why? Because of this println. If I remove this ln from here, so it will show me in the same line. but with enough space. Here you can see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this is actually, you can print all the value, and you can actually print single value from an array through index number, right? That's it. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.